Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to use WhatsApp for messaging. So to use WhatsApp for messaging, download first the WhatsApp application on your smartphone using Google Play Store for Android users or the App Store for iOS users. Then install it to your mobile or smartphone. Well, WhatsApp is a popular instant messaging app that allows users to send and receive text message, voice message, photos, videos, documents, and make voice and video calls over the internet. So after you download it, install your WhatsApp application and then open your WhatsApp and follow the instructions to set up your account. You will need to provide your phone number and verify it with a verification code that WhatsApp will send to you via SMS. So choose a language, then agree and continue. Then tap allow, then enter your phone number. Then you can tap not now, or also you can also tap continue. But I'm gonna choose not now. Then tap allow. Then tap skip or choose an account. Then type in your name and tap next. Then in here, choose your profile. Then you can see now the homepage of WhatsApp. To start a new chat, tap on the new chat icon in the top right corner of the screen and select the contact you want to message from your phone contact list. You can also create a group chat by tapping on the new group icon. Type your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen and hit send. You can also send photos, videos, documents, and voice messages by tapping on the respective icons in the message box. To make a video call or voice, tap on the phone or video icon at the top of the chat screen repeatedly or respectively. You can adjust your picture or filter it, and before you send it to your contact. You can also customize your WhatsApp settings by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and selecting Settings. From there, you can change your profile picture, status, notification, and more. And that's it. That's how to use WhatsApp for messaging. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.